Okay, I'm expecting some books today. And when I open my door, I hear siren sounds. Okay, I'm expecting 2 books today. And when I open my door, I hear siren sounds. Now, of course, they're used by the gang Stalkers in unremitting harassment, or American Stasi. You notice how low they are? That's because they're phony siren sounds. They're not real. It's what the government gang Stalkers do. They're not real. They're phony siren sounds. You see what they do in government gang stalking? They get the neighbors to gang stalk, play the phony siren sounds every time you open your door. Okay, they're fading, so I don't see my books here yet from Amazon. But when I did open my door, I did see a splotch of red from across the street, and I did hear the phony siren sounds of the government gang Stalkers, or American Stasi. Dick Cheney, do you know anything about this? Do you know anything about changing the FBI guidelines in your administration so that you could do things to people with our intelligence agencies without any criminal suspicion? Do you remember that, Dick? Maybe Liz remembers that, what her father did.